Imagine being on a video call, but instead of your usual self, you can transform into anyone with just a click. Or how about speaking in any language, with your lips perfectly synced? Sounds unreal, right? Well, with Akool's AI tools, this is not just a dream, it's happening right now. In today's video, I'll show you how Akool is revolutionizing content creation, from boosting sales to closing million-dollar business deals. So stick with me until the end, because I've got an exclusive discount just for you. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this. It's a game changer. You might be wondering, does this really work? Well, Akool's success speaks for itself. 2.89 million visits in June 2025 alone, with users spending over 10 minutes per session. This is real, measurable success. Now, let's get into the cool stuff. Imagine you're on a Zoom call or live stream, and with just one click, you can switch to an AI avatar that copies your facial expressions, gestures, and voice in real time. This isn't just fun, it changes the game for online meetings, presentations, and customer support. You can look professional and stay engaged without the usual Zoom fatigue. And it doesn't stop there. Akool's AI face swap feature is insane. You can swap faces in photos and videos with crazy accuracy, even in live sessions. Imagine creating ads with a spokesperson who looks like your target audience, or even making videos with celebrity faces. The possibilities are endless, and it cuts down production time and costs like never before.
Now hold up, Akool's got you creating like a pro. But what if you could take that love for AI and make it your career? I know. Sometimes you see people with these awesome tech jobs and think, that's not me.
If you've ever watched others build amazing careers and thought, I wish that were me, or felt stuck in a job that drains you, you're not alone. You hear about big tech salaries and think, that's not for me. But what if you could use AI as a tool to boost your career rather than fear it? That's where 1010 can help. They'll guide you through a career transition into the tech world, helping you gain valuable skills and offering career support along the way. If you're thinking, I don't know anything about coding, don't worry, they've got you covered with courses on design too. So, no matter where you're starting from, there's a path for you. 1010 isn't just about learning technical skills. Here, you'll also learn how to implement AI to solve real business problems, build your portfolio, and get personalized one-on-one tutoring, daily office hours, and code reviews to keep you on track. Still unsure? Here's the best part. 1010 offers a 100% money-back guarantee if you don't land a job within 10 months of completing the course. That's right, no risk. And it gets even better. You can start exploring your future in tech with a free career consultation using the link in the description or the QR code on the screen. Plus, you can begin learning for just $200 a month.
With Akool helping you create killer content and 1010 setting you up for a tech career, you're basically unstoppable. Okay, let's go back to Akool because there's more awesomeness to share.
And it doesn't just stop at avatars. Imagine taking these avatars and using them to communicate with audiences across the world, thanks to Akool's lip sync translation feature. It's all about making global communications smoother than ever. You can now translate your videos into over 150 languages, and Akool makes sure the speaker's lips sync perfectly with each new language. This is a total game changer for marketers, educators, or anyone wanting to reach a global audience in a natural, authentic way. And for when you need stunning visuals in your videos, or even just as standalone images, the AI image generator lets you create jaw-dropping images in up to 8K resolution from simple text prompts or existing visuals. Talk about taking your content to the next level. Say goodbye to endless hours searching for stock photos or paying big fees. Just describe what you want, and Akool brings it to life. This is fantastic for social media, website banners, or unique art projects. And what if you have a great still photo but wish it had some life? Akool's image-to-video converter can animate it into a dynamic video with music, motion effects, and even captions. This feature is perfect for turning static product shots into engaging reels or old family photos into heartwarming video stories. And here's the best part. When you want your subject to truly pop, Akool's background customization feature does all the magic for you. With a single click, you can remove or replace backgrounds in both images and videos. instantly giving your content a professional and polished look that matches your brand or message. And all of this happens in Akool's super user-friendly AI video editor. The best part? You don't need any prior editing experience to get started. Just upload your existing videos, add AI avatars or generated images, swap out backgrounds, and adjust elements as you go. Then, you can export everything in your desired resolution, whether it's 4K video or 8K images, ready to download in minutes. Akool isn't just about cool tools. It's designed to help creators, businesses, and anyone who wants to communicate more effectively and professionally, regardless of their size or expertise. Ready to start creating with Akool? Use my promo code INFLUENCER20 to get 20% off when you sign up through the link in the description. It's a great way to get pro tools without the high price tag. And by the way, if you're into AI, check out my video on Mirika AI, where I have explained to you how to make music without any instruments or a studio. You definitely don't want to miss it.